It's time to pick the winner of the Christmas crochet giveaway. So I'm going to go on over to the YouTube comment picker and I'm going to copy the link to the video and paste it into the comment picker. Next, I'm going to filter the duplicate users. And then I'm going to filter the comments based on a specific text. The text word was love, and you also had to tell me what your favorite Christmas memory was. Now we'll gather up the comments. See how many people we have. We have 26 unique comments, and let's select our winner. Who's it going to be? I'm so excited to see who the winner is going to be. Angela Farron Burt. Yay! Congratulations, Angela. Hello, Laura. That Nutcracker kit is absolutely adorable. My favorite Christmas memory is back in the year of 1994. My daughter was born December 22nd. That year, my mom was coming up for Christmas. I always loved when my mom would come home for the holidays, but that Christmas was even more special because not only did my mom get to have her third grandchild presented to her on Christmas, but my fiance at that time surprised me by proposing to me on Christmas in front of my family. That was my favorite memory of Christmas that I loved the most. It was so beautiful when my fiance proposed to me 2 years later. We got married in December. Thank you so much for your lovely generosity of this amazing and spectacular giveaway. Happy holidays to you and your family. God bless you and your family. Stay safe and warm. Congratulations to you, Angela. Angela, to claim your prize, just send me an email within 7 days with your mailing address, and then I will also give you instructions on confirming your identity before I mail your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered my contest, and I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.